ReFocus is important because it will help screen industry companies to improve their representation both in front of and behind the camera when it comes to learning disabled people.
People with disabilities are there to show people that we're humans and we want them to be entertained by what we do.
It's important because it reflects what life is. And I wonder why it doesn't happen, and I think it's just because of people's sometimes trepidation that it's going to be something that's going to be logistically difficult to handle.
There's only so much abled actors can portray. They can mimic what we do, but they don't know what actually goes on inside our heads.
Sometimes when people think of disability, they go into pity mode. And I feel like that needs to be broken. That is just, you have to treat them like people, because it's like treating someone different because they have different coloured hair or have hair at all in my case.
Everyone is unique, we're all humans and we should respect that.
We just want anybody who's got a creative spark or an interest in working in the industry to have that chance. So I think it's just really important for us as Bad Wolf to understand how to talk to the different parts of society and encourage them to understand the opportunities.
I obviously think it's hugely important for us to increase our representation on screen. One thing that 7Screen don't want is for this to have been an isolated experience.
I'm just waiting for a phone to go off, and I like to be in soaps and do more what I did with Hijinx, so yeah, I want to do more of those. Sometimes I like to be a James Bond.
As long as we're all enthusiastic, confident, on a journey together, then I think working with Hijinx is going to help everybody do better, do more, and give great opportunities.
Working with Hijinx, working with Justin, has made us want to do it again and again and again on every single production. There is no reason why we can't have neurodivergent actors in every single drama that we create.
I definitely would like to see more opportunities for people with disabilities.
I would like to be seen first and foremost as an artist. I don't want people to pay so much attention to the word disabled that they go into that pity mode or simplistic mode or something like that. I just want to be seen as a person, as an actor, as a member of the crew.
I would say to anybody who's interested in just working with more diverse groups in their productions, either behind the scenes or front of the camera, grab Hijinx by the hand and go on the journey.
People with disabilities are people.
Everyone's different, and that's a beautiful thing to think.